Hello, everybody. It's Friday. Congratulations on making it through the first week back after our holiday break. I'd like to pick the prize winner of this week's prize, which is the 2019 calendar and planner. But before I do that, I want to conclude this week's theme on prioritizing and time management with a graphic from Stephen Covey's book about the 7 habits of highly effective people. So, habit 3 is putting first things first, identifying what is urgent and important. When I talked earlier this week about the big rocks of your life, I was trying to challenge you to think about your priorities. Because if we do not plan for our priorities, then we will get distracted by minor and unimportant things. So, Stephen Covey challenges people to spend time focusing on what is called quadrant two. And so, this image tells you it's kind of like a cross section between what is not important and important, what is urgent and not urgent. So sometimes as teachers, we live a lot in urgent and important, which is quadrant one. It feels like every day is a firefight and you're just constantly rushing against the clock. And that's life for a teacher. But what happens is, I know for me, I'm just talking my personal life here and my professional life. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in the quadrant one that we lose sight of quadrant two, which is important but not necessarily urgent. And so those are things like proactive work, important goals, creative thinking, planning and prevention, relationship building, learning and renewal, and even recreation. And so Covey really challenges people, if you want to get to effectiveness, you have to work in quadrant two. Uh, work work in time for quadrant two. And the only way to do that is to do these three things. Number one, connect with the mission, roles, and goals, schedule the big rocks, organize the rest. So there's some tips from Stephen Covey. And if you haven't read that book, I think it's probably a worthwhile read. I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day and a restful weekend. But before I say goodbye, let's pick the winner of our calendar. Okay. Oh, we got to plug in. Okay, Ashley McKinnis, you won again. Ashley is lucky, and we're so happy for you, Ashley. Have a wonderful day, and everybody have a good one.